grab another.
Have an answer. Remember, we're thinking about it in our head.
All right, Rachel, go for it.
So I took 750 and 709. I took out the 700s in both of them.
Okay.
And then that just left 50 minus 9. I subtracted 50 minus 9. That equals 41.
Okay.
And then I subtracted both the 700s with 700 minus 700 equals 0.
So you came up with 41 in your head, and then you just subtracted.
So, and the extra 9 is that from 50. That's exactly what I did.
Remember, did you do this? Yeah.
You did.
Today for math, we're going to color, cut, and glue. Okay, so today I'm going to give you two different pieces of paper. I'm going to give you a grid that looks like this, which also looks like this. I don't have any technology today, so we're going to use the whiteboard. So you're going to get a grid like this, and then you're also going to get a piece of paper that looks like this. And part of our artwork is that we are going to turn our names into decimals. So now this next box says decimal value. This is where I need to make this into an M. I think I'm going to go down like this. So I'm going to color this in. Does this kind of sort of like look like an M?
Yes.
Okay, so I have my M. Does everybody see that?
Yes. That was really cool.
Okay, so let's convert them into decimals. What does this represent? A whole. Does this look familiar?
Yes.
So this would represent one whole. So if I wanted to find out what my decimal would be, I would count up my shaded blocks. 51. That is my decimal number for M. This is where your whiteboards would come into play. So the first thing is to estimate the sum of all to the nearest tenth. Is the 5 in the 10th place or the 1 in the 10th place? So I need to round this 5. So I'm going to look to the right. What would my 5 become? Remember to line up your decimals and solve. All right, show me. Beautiful. So the next one tells me to add all. So I need to set this up into an addition problem. Show me. Wonderful. Okay, go ahead and put it down. This one here says to subtract the largest from the smallest. Show me with your fingers, how many numbers am I going to subtract? We're going to subtract 2 numbers. We're going to subtract the largest number from the smallest number. Go ahead and solve it. Do remember that you do need to do some routine. All right, and show me. My last one to do is I'm going to order my decimals from largest to smallest. What number is the smallest? We were kind of struggling with this a little bit the other day. Yes. That's me. Which one is the smallest? Yes, 22 hundredths. Are there any questions before we get started? Now let's recap. How many squares do you need to fill up?
All of them.
All of them. How are you going to turn them into decimals? Your letters into decimals?
Count them.
You're going to count them. You're going to color them and count them. There are colored pencils at your desk. After you've done that, show your work for right here. If there's not enough room, what do you need?
Scratch paper.
Scratch paper. Thumb up if you understand. My name is divider. So you're going to want to put part of your last name on there. So that's your right here. Yeah, that would be cool.
She has more people, and there's only 9.